Looks like another smart device. Let's see how smart it is. Big screen, slick design. Feels nice on the wrist. And before I can say wow, it measures my heart rate and monitors my body temperature. I get to know these readings all day long. Here's something interesting. This device actually shows my blood oxygen levels, even records my blood pressure, and lets me keep my doctor in the loop. It not only shares my passion for fitness, but also keeps me motivated by connecting me to my health coach. It controls my music, can handle a splash or two. When I rest after a long day, it lets me know whether I slept well. It does all of this without a stop for days at end. And its accuracy? Well, it's ISO certified. Yes, it's not just a smart device. It's like my doctor at hand. It keeps me aware and safe. Just what I need during these times. To keep a watch. GOQii Smart Vital.